Hi, my name is Josh Belancic, Regional Account Manager. Today we're going to teach you how to do a range test. The first thing you'll need to do is purchase a range test kit directly from PDK. Reach out to your sales rep and we will get that sent out to you. Next, we will need to install the software on your computer. Reach out to our support staff and they will remotely install the software on your PC. After the software has been downloaded, open the SA Server application and select Setup. Enter the password and select the Wireless tab. Open your kit and grab a USB cable. Plug one end into your laptop and the other end into the coordinator. Grab the other USB cable and plug one end into the power bank, then plug the other end into the repeater. Place the repeater in an area where you plan to install the cloud node. Be sure the antenna is positioned vertically. Now that we've placed the repeater where the cloud node is going to go, you'll want to take your laptop and coordinator to the location of your first door. For the most accurate reading, you'll notice that we're not going to stand in the doorway, but I'll place this coordinator in the ceiling where the door controller is going to go. Back in the software, choose the port under Wireless Nodes and select Range Test. You will see how strong the signal is at the location of the coordinator. The lower the number, the better the signal strength is. After conducting the test, you may find a mesh network repeater may be needed to strengthen the signal of the network or bridge large gaps between two controllers. To find where to install a repeater, take your laptop and coordinator and walk to an area that shows strong signals. Install the repeater in an elevated location. Taking your laptop and coordinator, go back to the door with poor readings and read the signal strength again. We do not recommend using multiple repeaters to bridge signal gaps. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to help.
Conducting a wireless range test prior to installation will show where signal strength thrives, resulting in a better installation. Another very important practice is knowing your surroundings. Specific materials can easily weaken or diminish any wireless signals. Certain materials to be wary of are metal, elevator shafts, and even vegetation. Once again, a range test is always best practice for knowing how strong a WiMAX network is in specific locations. To build the strongest possible mesh network, it's important to always centralize the cloud node. A centralized head-end unit results in multiple possibilities for communication paths. If a controller ever has signal interference, it can easily find an alternative path back to the node. If the node were placed in a corner of the building, the number of communication paths lessens. If there is ever an interference with the only path back to the node, all controllers using that path will go into communication loss. Knowing which controller to use is also very important, and varies depending on the application. The 8-door controller is great for home run applications when door hardware is nearby. However, it only results in one communication path for all installed hardware. Single-door controllers build a stronger mesh network, allowing for multiple communication paths spread throughout the facility. Configuration for wireless controllers is conducted in PDK-IO and will be taught in a later lesson.